So I wanted to do a little video of the awesome hostel I'm staying at here in Uvita. Here one night, going to envision tomorrow to start the build out for the festival. Amazing stand of, I believe, guadua bamboo here. Look how thick it is. It's just massive. Massive stand of bamboo here on the edge of the hostel. Really peaceful here. Nice little pond with lilies. There's the hostel. It's a very interesting structure framed with timber and bamboo. Stayed here last year for 3 days when I came to visit Uvita and tried to make a video, but my camera died, so figured I'd do one this time. Another little pond. Some duckweed in there. I think it is. Lots of bananas around the hostel. Really quaint little place. Not little, it's actually a big hostel. A little campfire area. And here's the main building. Nice riverstone cement steps. Lots of hammocks around to chill in. The kitchen, dining area. Really nice big kitchen. Unlike some hostels that have just a little tiny kitchenette for guests to use, there's a really big kitchen here with 3 sinks. Lots of counter space, lots of dishes and pots and pans and everything provided. It's a cooking area. So dry storage for guests. Got my fruits and some veggies in here. And then there's 2 refrigerators, which is rare in a hostel, for two refrigerators for guests to use, which is great. Jam-packed with stuff from people. Little area behind the kitchen here. Lots of places to hang clothes to dry. Lots of bamboo and timber. It's timber framed with post and lintel, and lots of bamboo. Some showers here, the bathrooms, and there's showers over here. More hammock space. The library there. Another shower and bathroom, little sink. I'll show you upstairs where all the rooms are. Howler monkey, hummingbird. Really quaint and nice energy here. The owners are a German couple. Really nice. Stefan and Julie. There's a bunch of rooms. Lots of bamboo utilized here. This is one of the dormitories. Another bathroom up here. Lots of guest rooms here. There's more rooms. Private rooms here. The view out back. Over there is where the volunteers stay, in that little house over there. There's some red bananas on the trees there, if you can see those. Love red bananas. But nice wooden floors and bamboo framing. Really cool walls, bamboo walls. Some more hammock space. Some nice deck. No railing, gotta be careful. And I'll show you the room I'm staying in. Nice little room here. Very affordable, $30 a night. Dorm space is, I think, $12 a night, which I would have stayed in the dorm, but my friend Kaylee was going to be coming with me, and she decided to go somewhere else at the last minute, so I already had the room booked. And it's nice to have a private room. Comfortable. So yeah, this is Cascada Verde in Uvita. It's about 5-minute walk from a really awesome waterfall with a nice pool to swim in. You can actually climb up and slide down the waterfall. It's like a natural slide into the pool. You can jump off the cliffs there. There's a nice pool below that. I've got some videos from last year. I didn't take the GoPro down there this time, but I'm going to upload some videos from last year of the pool and waterfall soon. So stay tuned. I highly recommend the hostel if you're in Uvita, Costa Rica. Great place to stay.